আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সবাই কেমন আছেন? আজ একটু ইংরেজিতে কথা বলার চেষ্টা করছি। ইংরেজি জানি না, কিন্তু দেখে দেখে কিছুটা বলতে পারি। ভুল ত্রুটি ক্ষমা দৃষ্টিতে দেখবেন। There has been more or less experience in working on the Facebook platform. Many make mocking comments, joking. I also saw many Big Brother celebrities. It takes a lot of thought to give a star. This is normal because there are those who need stars by stars. It will not be given to everyone. He gives to whomever he likes. More stars are given to girls and those who can make a little noise. The stars gives them a lot of food. I am especially thankful to my dear brother Monir Bhai of Kolija for giving me almost 60 of our stars. Then I thank my dear brother Mehdi Hassan Bhai. He gave me 50 stars at a time, and he always gives me 2 stars. I also thank my foreign expatriate friends, not to mention my favorite person, Selby Cassis Love Virus, who also gave me many stars. He does a very nice live. I like it very much. I thank my dear brothers and sisters Sohel Rana, Polly Sharmin, Jennifer Cabrera, Ikmat, Juliet Season, Ambrose, Mohammad Masood Bhuyan Nahid, who visit my home and encourage me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thanks a lot.